Welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 22. So, let's start with the panel. The panel is the same, no troubles, no nothing, same batteries. The independent on its own emergency light is still here. The Kidde 278B is the pull station in my bedroom. The System Sensor 2151 is the detector in my bedroom. EST Genesis Horn Strobe is the notification appliance. Notification appliance 1 in my bedroom. Notification appliance 2 is the Genesis remote strobe. So, if we keep moving, the pull station out in the hallway is the Simplex 425120. We have the Specteralert Classic remote strobe, 1575 candela fixed. We have the advanced horn strobe, 1575 candela, because why not? And in the closet we have the L series. So this out here area notification appliance theme is system sensor, and there it's Edwards, and here it's wheel lock. As we have my fixed 1575 candela wheel lock remote strobe, General Electric smoke and heat, and the Firelite BG12. So, I think we're gonna pull, I don't know what we're gonna pull, but we're gonna pull it. Let me put this in here. We're gonna pull the 425120. So, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now we're going to go to the Firelite BG12 and activate that. 3, 2, 1. It's on 15, by the way, I forgot to mention. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the Kidde 278B. So 3, 2, 1. Perfect sync. Alright, so we're going to try to test both detectors today, because why not? But let's test this one first, because it's easier. All right, cool. So I'm gonna end this clip and I'm gonna try to find a hairdryer, but if I can't, I'll tell y'all. So yeah, we're gonna be testing this thing hopefully. So yeah, I didn't find a hairdryer, so hopefully this thing works. I mean, it's blinking, so we got that. But yeah, I couldn't find it, so that's a rip. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, you know, do all that fanciness. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.